Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss it, you land among the stars. Said Les Brown, the motivational speaker. And when you land among the stars, you become another star. Said Denny Joseph, that's me. Good afternoon, Mr. President, fellow Toastmasters, ladies and gentlemen. This afternoon, I'm going to share with you the importance of goal setting in our life. I realize it very late, but I think it's not too late for me to realize it, and I would like to share that experience with you today. Napoleon Hill, in his book Think and Grow Rich, says, people fail in their life not because they aim too hard, it is because they aim too low. Like everyone, or most of the people, I too did not have any written goals. By the way, let me ask you this. How many of you have written goals today? Please raise your hand. Thank you. How many of you think if you're given a chance to live your life all over again, you can do better than, more than you have done? Please raise your hand. That is my point, ladies and gentlemen. What we have achieved, what we have done, is only the tip of the iceberg of what is possible for us. In the year 2008, I happened to pick up the hobby of reading books. And I still have the good hobby. I read almost 10 books in a month. And I read a lot of books on goal setting. I realized that setting of goals in our lives is important to achieve something. If you don't know where we are going, we will not reach anywhere. So I set 20 goals in the year 2008. And by end of the year, I accomplished 17 out of 20 goals. And surprisingly, I did achieve some goals which I never thought I would be doing. And this motivated me. For the year 2009, I set higher goals. And one of the goals was to join a Toastmasters club. And it was December 2009. I came running here. I immediately filled up my application and joined the club before the year passed. So I achieved the goal. And I set another goal for 2010. By end of the year, I should complete my 10 projects and become a competent speaker. Let me share with you a good example of what happened. I wanted to buy a car. I wrote down the brand of the car, the color of the car, and what happened, I put it, my goals I write down, I put it on the wall. So every morning I read it, evening also I read it, whenever I'm at home I read that. So when you come out of the house, what I usually see is the same car going around, same color, that is my car. I started attracting this car, and by end of the year 2009, I bought the car at a very reasonably good discount, and I accomplished that goal too. Now my point here is, ladies and gentlemen, setting a goal is important in our life. I'm going to share with you how to set smart goals in our life. Before we set goals, those who don't have goals here, one important thing you must ask yourself is, what is your purpose in life? It's very important. It took me so many years to realize it. Until 2008, I realized, hey, I'm not supposed to go this way. There's a purpose for me. When I reach 85 years, if I'm alive that time, I look back and I feel happy that I chased my goal, I've accomplished my goals. So ask yourself this question. If you had all the money in the world, what would you do? If you could do anything in the world, and you're sure, 100% sure that you will not fail, what would you do? Or what legacy you want to leave behind when you are gone? So these answers to these questions will give you the purpose in life. Once you have the purpose in life, you set SMART goals. SMART goals stands for specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time goals. Let me explain to you that. Specific, be specific as possible. Example, you want to buy a car, the color of the car, the type of the car, by when you want to own the car, who are the people you are going to be with when you buy this car, all this must be stated. Measurable, you should be able to measure when you achieve those goals. Example, I want to do a PhD. Okay, I need time, so I know that when I do my graduation, I achieve that goal. Achievable goal. Set 7 goals needs time. 2 years, 3 years, 5 years time to achieve that. So allow that time. And realistic. Be realistic. You must be able to stretch yourself. If you don't stretch yourself, your full potential will not be used. So be realistic. And last, time. Goals without a timing is just a dream only. So set a time. By the year end or by 2015, I want to achieve this. I want to be there. These are the people to be with. So this is how you set SMART goals. Once you set SMART goals, write it down, put it on the wall, read it twice in a day, and you will achieve your goals. Let me conclude in the words of Earl Nightingale. People with goals succeed in their life because they know exactly where they are going. It is as simple as that. Back to Toastmaster of the day.